If you're feeling a little stuck on your video marketing, maybe it's some of the common confusion. What kind of videos and videos about what? Well, good news, it doesn't have to be that complicated. Here's a 60-second video marketing tip designed to give your video marketing a little jump start. Let's start off by keeping it simple with a simple video where you can just tell a little story, do a little demo, share some experiences, explain how your thing works, answer some frequently asked questions, offer some how-to, give a little tip about your company, how that works, about the industry, how that works, detail the benefits that you provide your clients, that your customers feel when they buy from you. Share some customer testimonials, solve a problem, and you can even indulge in doing a little sales. You don't want to be too salesy, but you should always offer a call to action. Give your viewers something else to do. Watch another video, go to your website to learn more information, call you to book an appointment, come into the store to buy your thing. Give them a call to action because they're waiting to be told what to do next. The object is to share your energy and excitement about what you do, because that kind of energy and excitement is the good kind of contagious. The key is to just get started. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't even have to be great. It just has to be better than the tedious Zoom calls that we've all been subjected to for the last 2 years. And that is a pretty low bar. In business, this is the year for video, and this could be your year for video. Would you like a little help? Learn more about our 21-day video marketing jumpstart. Just visit socialjumpstart.com/join, and I'll see you in the next video.